Hello everyone, we are going to continue Chapter 8, Programming, page 175. We are still in section 8.3, Selection. In this video, we are going to talk about Python if, page 196. Let's start. Python if. Now let's see how to do the selection in Python by using the word if. However, let's now talk about the logical test in Python. There are special rules in Python about relational operators and data types. 1. Relational operators in Python. The relational operators in Python programming are slightly different from the ones used in flowcharts. Equal is shown using a double equal sign, as you can see here, because a single equal sign is used to assign a value to a variable. For example, here, age equals 17. So 1 equal is for assigning and 2 equals is for the comparison. Also in Python, the not equal is shown as an exclamation mark plus an equal sign. However, in the flowchart, the not equal was these two symbols. So the Python and the flowchart have two different symbols for the not equal. However, the last two are the same as they are in the flowcharts. The first one is less than and the second one is more than. Now let's move to the data type and comparison. In Python, different data type can be used for different logical tests. Number 1, equal to and not equal to operators can be used with variables of any data type, including strings or float, so it will not give an error. Number 2, less than and more than operators can only be used with numerical values such as integer or float, because we can see which numbers are bigger or smaller than one another. For example, we can't say name is more than 17. That doesn't make sense. We cannot compare a name to a number. And of course, it will result in an error. Now let's talk about collect the comparison data, because before we can compare any data, we have to collect it. Number 1, every logical test uses a comparison. Number 2, before you can apply the logical test, you must collect the data for comparison.